Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. Going to give you a quick walkthrough of the 1997 Sea Ray 175 bow rider. 17-foot Sea Ray with an inboard outboard. It's got the MERCRUISER 3-liter. Comes with a single axle trailer, spare tire. It's got a walk-through windshield. Seems to be in good shape. Let's go inside the boat and take a look. Okay, inside the boat we have some aft seating here. You have your engine compartment with that stainless steel handle there. You just lift that up and you got your engine compartment. Got back-to-back seating on both sides, captain and co-captain. Some good spotter seats for tubing and skiing. This seat and this seat will slide out that way. Rated for 8 passengers. It's got all your gauges, fuel, oil pressure, RPMs, your trim gauge, speedometer, voltage. You've got it all. Little hummingbird fish finder. Your stereo is located, your head unit's located in there. It is a Bluetooth stereo. Walk-through windshield. Upholstery all looks to be in good shape. You got some speakers installed on either side. 2-piece cover, bow and cockpit cover. You can see that in the photos. Cockpit cover is currently there and the bow cover is currently there for the photos. If you're interested in this boat, give us a shout today. We're happy to help. Talk soon.